many more mornings will you wake up and say, "Tomorrow, I'll begin"? How many more nights will you scroll, wait, hesitate, convince yourself you'll start soon? Today, that ends. You see, there comes a moment, one moment, when you decide enough is enough. When you tell yourself, no more excuses, no more waiting. That moment is now. Others will tell you, sleep on it, wait for the right time, start when you feel ready. But here's the truth. The right time never comes. The delay never ends. The more you wait, the smaller your dreams feel. I'm not here to comfort you. I'm here to challenge you, to shake you awake. Because your future self is watching, wondering which version you will choose today. Will you stay in doubt? Or will you break free? This is Lock In, the moment you stop talking and start doing. The moment excuses fade and results speak. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why people never lock in, how to cut through fear, hesitation, distraction, and the exact steps that'll build momentum so big that quitting feels impossible. Stay right here, because if you listen and act, this could be the turning point you look back on years later and say, that was the day everything changed. Before you can commit, you must understand why people fail to lock in, what invisible barriers stop them, and how you can dismantle each one. 1. Fear, the default mode. Fear isn't just emotion, it's a program. It says, stay safe, don't risk, don't fail. But growth lives on the other side of fear. Every time you avoid discomfort, you shrink your possibility. 2. Waiting for motivation. You wait for inspiration to drop from the sky, like manna. But motivation is fickle. It comes, it goes. The difference between those who win and those who don't is winners act even when motivation is gone. 3. Overplanning, underdoing. You spend weeks mapping, refining, reworking, but you never implement. Plans are tools, not prisons. You must move. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction. 4. Distractions and comfort. Your environment, social media, Netflix, opinions, all assault your focus. Comfort is seductive, but comfort kills dreams. If your mind is set on ease, your dreams go dormant. 5. Self-identity, weakness. You tell yourself, I'm not a doer, I'm not talented, I'm just average, and so you act like it. Change identity first. Become someone who does, not someone who hopes. Here's the turning point. Decide and own. A decision is not just a thought. It's a pivot point. When you decide that failure is not an option, your mindset changes. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop giving excuses one more chance. You don't wait for the stars to align. You shift your posture. You position yourself. Responsibility. No one is coming to rescue you. No hand will reach down and lift you. You must own your life, your failures, your inconsistency. That's the moment growth begins. You stop blaming circumstances, time, money, support, luck, and start playing offense with what you have. Once you lock in that you are 100% responsible, every excuse dies. This is where we get tactical. Here's how you lock in and build unstoppable momentum. Each step carries pain, discipline, resistance, and each is non-negotiable. Step 1. Define your non-negotiables. Write down 2 to 3 things you must do daily. No more vague goals like exercise more or work on business. Make them specific, measurable, non-negotiable, e.g., write 500 words before 7 a.m., no sugar after 2 p.m., outbound 20 sales calls daily. Step 2. Micro goals and anchor habits. Break your long goals into tiny daily wins. A macro 12-month goal is useless unless backed by micro actions. Use anchor habits, habits tied to existing routines. After brushing teeth, you do 5 push-ups. After lunch, 10 minutes of reading. Step 3. Time blocking and ruthless focus. Guard your time like it's gold. Use time blocks, no multitasking, no distractions. When you commit 60 minutes, fully immerse. Eliminate all non-essentials. Turn off notifications. Create focus zones. Step 4. Accountability plus pressure. Tell someone your goal, or a handful, friends, mentor, audience. You can't hide if someone is watching. Use deadlines, consequences, and reports. Make quitting painful. Make continuation the path of least resistance. Step 5. Momentum build and compound effect. Consistency is invisible until it becomes unstoppable. One day you do it, 2 days, 3. Then momentum kicks in. Quitting feels harder than persisting. Celebrate micro wins. Record your progress. Reflect weekly. Step 6. Reset, adjust, persist. Obstacles will hit. You'll fall. That's fine. That's expected. Don't quit. Adjust. Review. Where did you slip? Why? Then rebuild stronger. This is a lifelong cycle. Lock in arrow, build arrow, adjust arrow, scale. Locking in isn't just actions. It's what you tell yourself every moment. Your internal voice either fuels or destroys you. I am built for this. Say it even when you don't feel like it. Your unconscious mind hears what you repeat. I don't need excuses. I only need results. Flip the script. Stop saying what you can't do. Speak in empowerment. Questioning mind versus commanding mind. Questioning, can I do this? Maybe I'll fail. Commanding, I will do this. I will make it happen. Don't ask permission from fear. Command your reality. Visualize the version of you who never quits. See him or her. Talk to that self. Let that identity seep into your blood. You don't just follow habits. You become the person who lives those habits. Keep a list in your phone of why I can't quit. Your reasons, your mission, your pain, your legacy. Pull it out when your mind wants to fold. You'll tell yourself all kinds of stories. Let's dismantle the top lies now. I don't have time. You have time. You make time. Eliminate waste. Use dead time. Sacrifice low-value leisure. You don't need 5 hours. You need 30 to 60 minutes daily, consistently. I'm not ready yet. That's fear speaking. You'll never feel fully ready. Start now. Ready is the lie that delays action. I'm too tired / busy / needed elsewhere. Your excuses don't deserve energy. Do the minimum. Stay alive in your mission. Even when energy is low, do something instead of nothing. What if I fail? Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every failure teaches. Every setback sharpens. You don't lose, you learn. Close your eyes. Imagine 5 years from now. Are you proud? Did you build, do, fight, love? Or did you settle, drift, watch life go by? Your future self is already alive. He is watching you right now. Every decision, to act or to wait, echoes in that future. What legacy will you leave? What stories will you tell? When your time is done, what will people say about you? That you tried, or that you fought relentlessly until the end? Make that decision today. Decide who you'll be. Decide you'll fight every day. Decide you'll win in your mind first, and then in your life. You've got the blueprint. But blueprint without build is nothing. Here's the challenge. Today, before you go to bed, pick one action from this script. Just one. Do it now. Don't wait. Don't debate. Lock in. Execute. If you want to go deeper, I'll drop a workbook below. But no tool replaces your consistency. This channel, Dopamine Reboot, exists to push you, level you up, break your patterns. If you're serious about change, Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who needs this knock. And tomorrow, we repeat. Lock in, build, adjust, scale. Until there is no excuse, no fallback, just unstoppable momentum. This isn't just another motivational video. This is the start of your shift. Today, you decide, will you stay the same or will you become relentless? Lock in, go now, and don't look back.